Hi, I'm Austin Reeves. I'm the Collections and Exhibition Manager of the Cornell Fine Arts Museum. Today I want to reach out and talk to you a little bit about collections care, specifically the process of installing artwork. Although each artwork is different in its own right, if you utilize these simple steps, you'll make sure every single time your artwork is safely installed. Let's get started. Ideally, we want to hang all artwork at 60 inches on center. This is because the average eye level for a person is around 60 inches. This rule does change from time to time, depending on if the painting is oversized. Some of the tools we will use today include a tape measure, hammer, level, a pen and notepad for some quick math, and 2 picture hooks. With the artwork safely resting on a bumper so it does not touch the ground, we start with our first important measurement, the height of the painting. Make sure to measure both the left and right side of the painting. This work is 42 1/8 on both sides. Next, we need to measure from the top of the canvas to the top of the D-rings. The D-rings are a preferred way to install artwork. D-rings, as opposed to a picture wire, allow 2 points of hanging, as to just 1 when hanging on a wire. Now comes the quick math. Taking the overall height of the painting, we divide by 2. This finds our center point of the painting. 42 1/8 divided by 2 gives us 21 1/16. We then add 60 inches, which gives us 81 1/16. We now have to subtract for the D-rings. So we take 81 1/16 minus 7 inches, which gives us 74 1/16. This will be where our first mark on the wall goes. Before moving the painting, we need one more measurement, the space between the D-rings. Using the tape measure, I place one end on the left D-ring and the other to the right. This gap is 33 3/4 of an inch. Taking the tape measure again, we mark our first spot, 74 1/16. Then we need to measure over to the other D-ring, 33 3/4. Here I mark the wall with a cross. Then I use the level to make sure both of my marks are level to each other. Then it's just a matter of hammering 2 picture hooks on your marks. Carefully adjust the D-ring so it grabs the first hook, doing the same with the other side. Use the level to check your work, and you're done.